All right.
I am late.
Okay, there it is.
I thought I pulled out!
Alright, looks like we have a bunch of people up here making paper airplanes. I feel like we're back in elementary school. Who has the best airplane here? Of course you do. Alright, are you ready, Stephanie? You ready? Alright, so each of you are going to have 3 chances to throw your airplanes. The one that gets it the furthest gets to win the bucket of swag. We will also have 2 winners, 2 runner-ups, and they get the glasses of swag, which I have. I'll get to that in a minute. So I think we all need to step up to the edge of the stage here. All right. On the count of 3. Now, did you all put your name on these airplanes? Okay, who did not put their name on the airplane? All right. Can we get some crayons to these folks over here? I forgot the crayons. If we fly the airplane, how do we know who won? Right? All right, pass the crayon down there. Turn that up. All right, are we ready? All right, on the count of 3, you all need to fly your first airplane, okay? 1, 2, 3. All right. I lost track of airplanes. Which one went the furthest? There's one way over here. What's your name? Yours is right here. All right, so Frankie's first airplane went the furthest. Okay, you all got your second airplane? You don't have your second airplane. Why don't you have your second airplane? I forgot. All right, let's leave Frankie's airplane right here. Right there. All right. So that's the line. Okay. And we have a second place right here. Okay. All right, everybody, on the count of 3, throw your second airplane. 1, 2, 3. One hit the couch. All right, I think Frankie is still in the lead here. Got one over here. That's second place. There's second place right there. Whose airplane is that? That looks like we're going. Rocky Baby is second place so far. All right, this is your last chance. Is everybody ready? 1, 1.5, 2, 2.25, 3. Holy cow! Yeah, I think we got our first place winner right here. We got our second place winner here, Frankie. Where's Frankie? And our third place winner is gonna do hula hoops at 11 o'clock, alright? Who's up next, Matt?
Oh, let's get Joe on the stage. Joe. Give it up for Joe.
Gonna give a forewarning. I don't sing country ever.
Can you give us a 1, 2 check real fast on the mic?
Check. 1, 2.
Keep going.
Check. I'm not gonna be able to fit that.
Frankie, right? Yeah. You're the reason I did.
Nicole?